Hi, this is Michael from Sonoma Leather and Wood, and today we're going to make a gun belt or utility belt out of heavy duty harness leather. So let's get started. Okay, I went ahead and cut a strip of harness leather. Now we're going to use a plastic template to mark the end of the belt so we can put our holes for the Chicago screws and for the actual buckle. Using a scratch awl to do this. And there we go, using a plastic mallet where, excuse me, I get from Berry King Tools. And the punches are actually from Weaver Leather in Hope, Ohio. And now for the center hole that will house the buckle. There we go. Let's go ahead and measure the length of the belt. I'm making a 42-inch length belt today. So I measure out 52 inches, allows 10 inches for the tip and the belt holes and the buckle area. So 10 inches more than what the actual size of the belt. Mark that. And I'll have a end punch. I have a template already made to guide me to position it correctly right on the leather. This leather is 14 ounces, about a 1/4 inch thick. Heavy duty harness leather. Now another plastic template to use to measure for the actual 5 belt holes. 5 belt holes are standard in the industry. I like to do 2 inches from the end of the template to start marking the holes for the belts. In the same punch. There we go. Okay, now we need to skive off the end of the belt, so when you fold the actual leather over, it folds over nicely and it's not so huge. I use a skiving machine here, but you can use a handheld skiver, or else you can use a round knife to do it. This just saves me a lot of time and does a nice clean cut. Easy fold over. Cut off the unused portion of leather. Now I'm going to begin to actually edge with a number 1 edger. I use a glove because there have been on a couple occasions in the past where I've actually been cut with that edger. It slips, goes right into your skin. So just play it safe. If you're going to edge, use a glove. Edging makes the edge very nice and easier to go through the belt looks, and it also gives a nice professional touch. And I do this on all 4 corners. So edge the tip of the belt to the front tip. Again, makes it easier to go through the belt loops. Both sides. Now I'm going to use a product called Bag Coat. It's been around, my goodness, forever, at least over 100 years. For me, it works very well on harness leather, provides a nice finish, and of course, gives it a little bit more durability. Just use a wool dauber to apply it, and give it a couple hours to really to dry. This product is called Quick Slick. A company in Wyoming called Sheridan Leather created it. Now a company called Barry King Tools distributes it. Again, use a small dauber and wipe it on. It really provides a really nice burnished edge to the leather. Don't have to let it dry. Use a piece of canvas and just burnish it. The heat will dry it and make it real nice and smooth. Nice edge. And to fold over, I just use a little bit of water on a paper towel and apply to the area that's being folded over. Helps with the molding. Stainless steel heavy-duty buckle. Take my Chicago screws, put them through the holes, take the end post and then the other screw part and just screw it on. I had previously made a belt keeper out of harness leather. I use heavy-duty industrial type staples for that. It's always worked very well. Slide it through. And attach the remaining Chicago screw. Chicago screws are great because You can change out your buckles. Some people can use the heavy-duty stainless steel or change it to a favorite buckle. This allows you to do that. Use this tool to help screw them in. This is also available from Weaver Leather in Hope, Ohio. There you go. Thanks for watching. Check us out at SonomaLeather.com.